You know what I mean. No, we don't. Tiny!
Time to subscribe to this channel.
The Ganon Master says if he gets eliminated, I think his punishment, instead of going to the BRB, he should be doused in gasoline by Uncle Rob. Oh no! Gasoline? The thing that makes me grow bigger? Yes, the Ganon Master, please do douse me in gasoline.
Cheeky Monga says Pen is the only one out of Snowball, Blocky, and Eraser who hasn't killed anyone intentionally. Thanks, Cheeky Monga. I always prided myself on not committing homicide. I sit on that slightly higher bar.
Trendy Ruby says, goodbye, awful flame. You robbed so many people like Taco and Bubble, you won't be missed. This user is a despiser of fiery. Yeah, no kidding. This is such an unfair description of events, but that's okay. I still hate Coiny more. I mean, love Coiny. You know what I mean.
No, we don't.
Coiny!
Not Nickel says Blocky was one of the only good ones left and he's gone. You can say that again, Not Nickel. No, Woody's here. He can carry on the dream as the new apprentice of funny doings. Yotenon says he was the only one left who I didn't like, so voting's gonna be harder from now on. Yotenon, have some manners! Sorry, I'm just a little tilted from what I saw right there.
What ain't cool, I guess. I always love me some character development. I'm developed.
Epic Hacks Boy says Blocky is a god. Yes, thank you, and I commend you, Epic Hacks Boy, as one of my followers.
Slender Kids 2000 says, why doesn't Flower care about almost everyone but herself for some reason? Hey, I mean, everyone else cares about me, so why should I be any different?
Sen Patty says, today is a sad day for all funny doers. That is so true. Thank you for carrying on my legacy, Sen Patty.
BFTI and AGT fan says, I honestly don't care if she's mean. This girl is my favorite character, lol. Thank you. But why doesn't your name say Flower Fan? I only deal with exclusive fans. Come back to me when I'm your one and only.
Floofy Furret says, I don't have any opinion on him, so he's meh. I commend you, Floofy Furret. You know, maybe it's better to go through life not in the highs or the lows, but just right through the middle. I once met a group of super pen fans. That was scary. They tried to take my pen cap and wear it themselves, but it was too narrow. Let's just say one of them ended up in the emergency room. Luke T. Bouse says, I find Blocky to be hilarious, and he's always been one of my favorites. This has grown since he's matured in BFB as well. Luke, you, me, we are the real ones here. Therefore, from that message alone, I adorn you with the title of Honorary Prankster.
Love Dove Girl says, if she gets out, I'ma smash my laptop and do headbangs on the floor. Hey, that's a great idea! Why isn't that a type of event that already exists? We need to make this real. If we can't get together in real life, maybe a virtual headbang convention. I'm overrated and overrated. I'm overrated and Woody. Overrated? Kirby Dat Turtle says, if Flower gets eliminated, I will cry. Me too, Kirby. It just needs to wait until after fall, because that's when my fall collection of Pedal-Sake tissue boxes come in. It'll be perfect for those mid-meltdown photos.
The Futuristic Warrior 7000 says, hopefully Blocky will officially have more votes than Flower once BFB 24 is out. If not, for a prank, let's revolt against the system!
I Tissues 45 says, BFDI, this user is a hater of Flower.
What? But I'm like the star of the show! My pen cap